Hey everyone, this is Jose Reyes with eXp Realty, and I want to talk to you today about probate and in particular about property management as it's related to probate. So, in some cases, a person who passes away may only have one house, or they may have multiple houses. They may have a business. They may have vacant properties that they've accumulated over the years. And all of those have to be managed properly during the probate process because it is considered an asset, and the assets have to be inventoried, they have to be valued, and when appropriate, they have to be sold or otherwise managed. For example, if you have a person that passed away, the executor of the estate is responsible for making sure that the property is secure. In other words, the house is locked up. There is, in some cases, security in place, maybe security system cameras, what have you, to ensure that the property is being monitored, that it doesn't get invaded by thieves or squatters. Also, the property has to be maintained. Roofs have to be properly repaired. Internal systems have to be maintained in order to maintain the value of the property. The reason all that has to be maintained because they are assets which are eventually going to be distributed to the heirs, either directly as far as properties being assigned to different heirs, or indirectly in terms of sales of those properties. And then the assets would be used to pay off any debts, and anything that remains would then go to heirs. Having said all this, property management is the real estate side of the transaction, but there's still a lot of legal and tax implications, particularly if there are businesses or rental properties involved. So you will want to get access to legal and professional and tax advice in order to make sure that these are being handled properly, particularly as the executor of the estate, because it's your responsibility as an executor to manage the estate properly. And if there is mismanagement, the heirs could take legal action. So make sure that you have access to legal representation as an executor. If you are just in the estate planning phases, or you're thinking about doing estate planning, go ahead and contact a tax professional, estate planner, or an estate attorney, and get some good advice as to what you should do to make sure that you can pass on these properties to your heirs in a way that is what you intend and is fair for everyone involved. Feel free to give me a call, scan the QR code to get my number, or you can reach me on social media if you have any questions. Look forward to talking to you, and enjoy this beautiful day.